Hello everyone. In this video I am going to teach you how to enroll as an instructor and put your courses in this website and earn a lot of money. Uh, See, in this lecture I am going to teach you about the instructor registration. See, you can see the registration over here on the main website. Just click that instruction registration and then you will be redirected to this page, and here you fill your name. Like here in this demo website I have put Sheila Sinha, and username is, here you can put your username, and you have to remember this username, then only you can just log in into the website, and then put the email address in the next column. Email address is given. The registration is very easy process. As a demand you can just do it. Then put the password, whatsoever password you can put over here, but you have to remember the password when you log in to this website again, to amend the course or to put any other course, or to change the course or delete the course, whatsoever you want to do you can do from here after logging into it. And after that, putting the password, you can just register as an instructor over here. Now already this name is already in the as an instructor registered. So here see, sorry, this user name already exists. You can see this username is already exist. So that's why it's saying sorry. Okay, then in next step, when but for you it will not show. Then you go to the dashboard. Go to the dashboard and click that dashboard. When you click on this dashboard, the dashboard will open for you, where from where you have to just again log in into the account. Okay, now you will put the same username over there, Sheila dash Sinha, Sheila dash Miss, and then the password which you have put over there for registration purpose, the same password you will put over here. Okay, and after putting this password you will click on the login button, then you will log in. Okay, after you log in into your account, now here you are already registered. Now this is the dashboard and this is the profile. Okay, in profile you can just complete your profile. You can the best profile you can make, so that the students get attracted towards you, and you can put your photograph also over here, because the students after after doing your courses, they will be giving you the reviews also. So these reviews will help you to increase your market. And here you can see the enrolled courses, wish list, review. You can also my quiz attempts. If you want to do any course, you can do over there. Here my course, you can put your own course as an instructor. Announcement you want to give, or the earnings, so many things are there. And withdrawal also. See, withdrawal, quiz attempts of the student, everything is given over here. So afterwards I will tell you how to make the quiz also. That video also I'll post very shortly. Then here you can see the add course, add a new course. Now you have to click on that add new course, then you will be redirected to another page. Okay, and here you have to put the course, whatsoever title you want to give over here. You can just give the title over here as per your course which you want, whichever course you are putting over here. And like I have written over here life science for class 10th students. WBCCSE board, the West Bengal board, for WBBSE board. Okay, so now in the next column here you can put the description of your course, because the best description you will give, because this description will be visible to all the students who will enroll this into the course. And first of all they will read this description. okay, what the students are going to get in this course. So you have to give the best description over here according to you. Right now for the demo purpose, I have just I'm putting just a few lines over here. Okay, so but you have to give the full description of your course, what you are going to give, and you can make them bold, whatsoever part you want to do the bold part to attract the students. Wherever you want that this part should be very bold and highlighted, you can highlight that portion of the part, you know very well about that. Now see, after that what you have to do is you have to scroll it down. Okay, you have to scroll it out. Now maximum students you can put it 0, because in the free courses you can put it 0. You can just limit the student number of students also, and you can just choose the levels also, beginners levels or whatsoever. And now no need to select the product, because there is no purpose of that. Now this is very important. If you want to make it a free course, you can choose free. If you want to make it a paid course, you can choose paid. Okay, then add the topic, and once you add the topic, then you will again write the topic over here, life science, as I took it previously, life science, class 10th. So now for that topic you can put the summary over here. You can put the summary over here, whatsoever summary you want to give over here. So give the topic summary, so that the students can read the summary, and then if they want, if they wish to take your course or purchase your course, then they will do. Otherwise, if they think like this course is not for them, so they will not take. So this summary is very important for them. Okay, then after writing this summary, what you have to do is you have to click on add topic. Okay, now let me complete this summary. And what you are going over here, the like video lectures you are giving the notes, and you are giving the question answers. And if you are giving the quizzes also, then you can write add that quizzes also. Okay, so right now I have written only the video lectures with question and answers and notes. Okay, now after that you can just click to the add topic. As you just add the topic, this topic will come over here. See, you can see if you want to write the benefits of the courses, you can write the benefits of the courses, requirements of the instructions, targeted audience. This is important. To which type of audience do you want to target? So I want to target in this class 10th students of West Bengal board class 10th students I want to target. So I'll write over here. And if you want to write the material required, suppose like if you are giving some drawing painting competition, drawing painting tutorial, so you can write the material includes what material is required for here, and required for the instruction also you can just write over there also. Or material required is material included is what you are including the material, notes chapter wise. And in this requirements and the instructions, here you can write like for art and craft, whatsoever the things, brush, paint, color, whatsoever you want, you can just put over there. And here what the material is included in this lecture, so that you have to write over here, note chapter wise, video lectures, question and answers. And if you are giving the quizzes, you can write about the quizzes also. Okay, so after that what you have to do is, the most important, you don't have to put the video. If you are just putting if you can put both type of lectures over here, video lectures along with the notes and question answers, or only the notes and question answers. It depends upon you. If you don't want to give any video lecture, it's not mandatory. Okay, but if you give that video lecture will appear on the same place above the notes, video lecture. And then you can just if you want to give the video lecture also, then video source you have to see here, video source. So now add the topic. Again you can change one more lesson if you want to. This will come into under the course builder. Okay, you can keep on adding the lessons, the whole book lessons you can add one by one. Okay, and in this way just you can just keep on putting. Now here once you have done, then you can just put the lesson over here, name of the lesson. Now that was a topic, life science class 10th West Bengal board. Then under that topic there will you can put as many lessons as you want, means the whole book lessons you can 14, 18, 20, whatsoever the number of lessons are there, you can put the name of the lesson. Then in the lower part you can put the notes over here, okay. And when you will put the notes over here, you will you can type over here, or you can if you have prepared already in your local machine, then you can just copy cut paste from there and paste them here, so it will save your time. So and the errors are also very less if you just make the notes prior in your computer. So you can copy cut paste it. From here upload the feature image. That is very important, because on the dashboard you will see the main website this image is seen. Now for making the image, I am just telling you a very easy way, that go to canva.com, canva.com. Okay, canva.com. Here you can make your images free of cost. Okay, you need not to do anything. You can make your free images as per you want. You can make the videos, you can make the templates, you can make the flyers, you can make the YouTube thumbnails, everything you can design over here. Just you write over here what you want. Like I want a poster over here. Okay, so I'll write the poster in the search option. Then see, I will write the poster is given or the whatsoever you want. So poster I want, and when I'll search the poster, then it will take redirect you to the that place. And on the left hand side of that place you will get so many templates. Okay, and the right hand side place your poster will be designed, and you will design your poster as per your need. You can just amend your poster, you can edit your poster as per your wish. Now here you have to, what you have to see is there are few paid templates and few are the free templates, but we are here to earn some money, not to spend some money. Okay, so we will just go for the free templates. Here I have taken a paid template first of all, just to show that paid template needs the money. Okay, so there are so many templates over here. Whatsoever you want to choose, you can just choose according to your need, and whatsoever you want, like this is an attractive one, you can take this. I will take this one, we help you shape your future. Okay, so if I take this I can just edit it over here, and where it is written, you can shape your, when you will click to the once time you will click, and the second time you will click, it will become blue, and then you can just backspace and you can delete it. And then now write your own whatsoever you want to write. Like I will write biology study material, biology study material, and whatsoever I will type, you can see over here. Okay, so according to your need, whatsoever you want to, it should be attractive, it should look attractive. Biology notes with additional study material. Okay, this I am going to write over here. And suppose it goes out of the range of the poster, so you need not to worry, you can just adjust them according to your size. Means afterwards you just first of all type whatsoever you want to type. Okay, additional study material. Okay, now because you can see that this is going out of the space, so from the topmost corner, right hand side corner, there is a white dot, you can just pull it down. From there you can pull it down, it will adjust into your poster. Now it has been adjusted into your poster. So now it's okay. Now come to the second part where something is written. You can use it to write something else. Like I will write here WBBSc board, so that it is clear to the students when they see these courses photographs only. They will come to know that this particular biology notes are for the WBBSc students only, WBBSc board students only. Now here you can put ICSE board, you can put CBSE board, whatsoever you want to put, you can put over here whatsoever you want to write. And then just after adjusting it, you can pull and adjust according to you, and increase the font size. And you can just change the if the font is not good for you, you can just change the font also. I'll show you how to change the font here. Now it seems good. Now this size is good. Now it's okay for me. Now I'll click on the download. On the right corner, download button is there. I'll click download. Here what I have done is I have used, here they give the preference that the PDF print suggested. So now here it is written pay and download. Yes, it costs 75 rupees, so that's why I have discarded, means I am not taking, but I have not discarded the changes. Now I am taking the free template. This is written free template, so I will take this template, and automatically whatsoever you have written on that, they are here. Now few things are given which are useless for us, we will delete from there. We can just click on that and we can delete. And if you everything is related, you can go to backup, undo, so it will come over here, and deleted part will delete. Now again this will also will delete, and the last part will use to we can write the name, our name, instructor's name over here, like because these notes are provided by Sheila Miss, so she can write by Sheila Miss. Okay, so here I'm writing by Sheila Miss. Okay, now you can just make it bolder, so that it is clearly visible, because it is very thin, nobody can see over there what is written over there. So now this is becoming bolder. Now it I think like this much is sufficient. So now if we want to give something text, so we'll click on text, and here are heading, subheading. So you can just take the subheading part. Okay, if this type of things come, you can cross it from here, they are of no importance. Add subheading, or the little body of the text also you can just choose here in add a subheading. Now here take backspace, clear it, and then whatsoever you want to write over, you can write over here. Like I will write class 10th, because these notes are especially for the class 10 students only. So I'll write class 10th and make it more bolder. And but here you can see that the color sequence is very light, means it is not that attractive. So I have increased the size of that portion, class 10th. Now it is looking good. Okay, and I can adjust it downward, upward, wherever you want. So now this again you click on that and go to that section, then you will see the color template will come. Now this color I have changed, this is looking nice. Okay, and in Sheila Miss also I will change the name. This is not looking good, then I can take it blue. Then okay, class 10th also I can choose any color. First of all taken green color, but I see that the font is very thin, so I want a bold font over here, so I'll choose the bolder font. Okay, I have chosen the bolder font. So now class 10th will become bolder, but this green color is not matching with all these colors, so I will change the color of this. Again go to A, the color petlet will open. Yellow, it is also not looking good. Then red, yeah, this is looking fine. So now it's okay. Now this is the good design, attractive design. Now again from here you have to, before downloading you have to change the format, because if you change the PDF file, if you take, so it is of no use, because PDF file won't show on this. I have taken this PDF file, showing you that what happens. If you upload the PDF file over here, it will show nothing over here when you drop the file over here. So see the file where in which folder it has been, you can see from here that in which folder it has been stored in the computer. So it is in local C drive downloads. So okay, now from here I will choose select it and upload it. Now you can see that PDF file does not appear over here. Generally nowadays PDF files are using too much, but here PDF file is not required. Here either GEF or PNG format is the best. I will recommend you to download the PNG format. Now this is showing nothing, this is showing nothing, so you cannot insert it that. So now go back to the Canva and change to PNG file. Now PNG file, and then download it. Now see, I have downloaded this PNG file because this is the finest file, and even if you just zoom it, the form this will not become blur. So that is the quality of PNG file. So now upload the feature image from here and select that PNG file which we have just now downloaded. Select the file and choose the PNG file, and this will upload here. Okay, now after it is uploaded over here, on the right hand side bottom you will see use this media. Click on this use this media, and this media will appear over here. When you update this lesson, now when you update the lesson, because this is the demo lesson, so I don't want to update it, but if you update this lesson na, so this lesson will come, this poster will be appearing on the main page. On the main page it will appearing, and now here you can keep on adding the lesson 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and you can about the video source, you can go to the video source, and I will suggest that YouTube, you can just make the videos and upload on the videos, and from there you can just copy the URL over here. Then this video YouTube video will appear over here. Don't post the video in this website, because this it will take a lot of space, and this website will become very heavier and slow also. So don't post over here. If you post over here, I may delete it. So better use the YouTube videos. And how to use the YouTube videos, you can see over here. We have come to the YouTube video now, and I will choose one video which has been made by Sheila Miss. So although it is the history video, now this is the adverb English video. I am just trying to just for the demo sake. And on the top of the this browser, you can see the link over of that video, that you have to copy cut paste from there, from there, and then that URL you can paste over there under the video source. So this is the adverb. I don't want to take this is the Sheila Miss history chapter class 10th. So I am taking this video right now for the demo purpose. Now you can post the URL over here. See this URL http, this has been posted, and now we will publish it. We'll go and publish it. On the top we'll go and publish it. When you will publish it, then this will appear on the front page of your website. Okay, the newer course will be coming on the front page. Okay, when we go to the visit the site, then that will appear. But because I have not taken it, so it is not appearing right now, but after some time it will appear over here. Like these two images are appeared. The student will click these images, and he will be redirected to the description and everything. And if it is a paid course, he can pay and access the course. If it is a free course, like these two free courses are there. So now the all courses, this I have not set right now. I will be setting in one day. Then you can just see, and in this way your registration and the videos are done. Okay, and this is the process of how to put the lectures over here. And one more thing I may tell you, that these things, this is the something which will give you money, keep on giving you money the whole life. Because from in my experience, 26 years of experience, I have seen that nothing has changed in the studies. What we studied in the 9th and 10th class, some more or less we are teaching in 9th and 10th class. What we studied in 11th and 12th class, some less or more we are teaching in 11th and 12th class. And you can put as many lectures as you want, there is no limit. And I have you can just read the blog also. That blog post will give you the more ideas. Okay. And I hope I would like to invite maximum instructor from all over the world to put their courses and earn a lot of money. Okay. And this is not only going to give you the money, or it will be benefiting the students who are sitting in the remote areas of their countries, and they are not getting the good quality study material, so they will be helped by that. And if you want many things are which you can give them free also, which are available on other websites free. Or if something special courses you are putting, so you can earn from there. And the automated system is there. Your payment, once it is 1000 rupees will come into your account. After that 1000 rupees you can withdraw that, or you can request for the withdrawal, and automatically 900 rupees will come into your account. 10% is taken by the company for the maintenance of the website. I hope this website you will like, and you can earn from here. See, the results don't come very quickly, but slowly and gradually. If you if you try that today I have put the course and from tomorrow you just start getting the money, that is not possible. First of all, you have to make your clientage, okay? But it will give you money in the coming years, in the coming months. And once you if you give the quality courses, so obviously your clientage will increase, and in this way you can just increase your clientage. And the more and more students will the more 5 stars you collect in the reviews, the more reviews you, and you give the good service to the students. If they ask any question, you give the answer to that their questions of that particular lesson. This encourages the student, then the student feel good that this instructor is good, and the teaching pattern is also good, and material is also good. Then they give you the 5 star, and the more 5 stars you collect, your clientage will automatically increase, and the thousands of students can enroll in your courses. And I hope you earn better from here. And this is the very safe, and because I am also the teacher, so I built this platform just because of this coronavirus. We teachers have suffered a lot, and many of the teachers, the payment was stopped even after the government instructions. So that's why this idea came into my mind, that if some money is coming from the online teaching, so it's much better. You can teach your students also from this website live by sharing the tab. And this will reduce your reduce your work, hard work. Okay. So many benefits are there on of this website if you just put the courses. And I hope you will